Hey guys, so real quick, I'm gonna show you guys how to use the mouse on the phone. This one is really simple. So all you need is the phone, obviously. Mine is a Galaxy S8, and all you need is the USB adapter that goes in the charging port on the phone, and the mouse USB adapter. You put it in the USB adapter that goes in the phone. You connect those together. If yours is with a wire, you're gonna put a wire that's connected to the mouse to the USB adapter, and then you connect it to the phone. But mine is wireless, so you don't see a wire. It's directly connected to it, and just plug it in the phone. And then once you plug it in the phone, you move the mouse, it comes up. So it's fast. So you don't need any programs, nothing. Just put it in, and it automatically comes once you move the mouse first. So once I move the mouse, it's gonna come there. See, it came, and you could just move it around. It's great. I mean, if you don't want to use your fingers, let's say, or something, you could use that if you want. Really fast and simple. And for the Galaxy S8, when I bought the phone, the USB adapter that goes in the C USB charging cable port, the USB, it came with the phone, so that was really great. But if you have a phone and a USB adapter that goes in the charging port didn't come with it, you may need to purchase one separately. That's all. It's really simple, really fast. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.